Because you said your mother-in-law makes fried bread.
No, my foster mum.
Oh, your foster mum.
Yeah, even last time I was there, she was like making a whole lot of fried bread for somebody's party. Big buckets.
Oh, gosh. Well, that's right. I put these for you down here, and there's a whole big bowl upstairs with
You're
my
feeding
staff.
everyone else?
Yes. So he prawa prai.
Yeah.
Fried bread is prawa, bread,
Prawa.
and prai is to fry. So he prawa prai.
He
Try that
prawa
one. It's got a lot of pr in it.
Roll your R's.
Yeah. And this is hinu. So butter is called hinu.
Okay.
And when you spread butter, you call it pānea te hinu.
Won't remember that one.
No. Just remember the hinu.
No.
After my father died, my mother said, I'm not cooking fried bread anymore. So if you want fried bread, you make it yourself. So she taught us how to make fried
nice.
bread over there. So now I make her fried bread. Right, Minister, quick fire questions.
Ooh.
Hangi or boil up?
Ooh. Boil up.
Okay, which one? Puha or watercress?
Watercress.
Oh, you're with me.
When I was pregnant,
Yeah.
that was the only thing I wanted in one of my pregnancies.
watercress?
Was watercress. And it wasn't the time for watercress.
Oh, God. I must have been pregnant too because I like watercress.
And I remember hunting everywhere for it. And it's not something I usually would go out of my way for. But
Yeah.
man, I searched and searched.
Yeah, and you found it.
And I paid top dollar.
You bought it. Right. And what do you do to celebrate Māori Language Week?
It's not something that I have celebrated much in the past because it's not really something that's been part of my upbringing or anything. But my foster mother is from King Country and she taught me kapahaka and she taught me certain ways around Te Reo Māori. I might not have learnt the language, but I did learn the culture and I really still have that as part of me. I don't think it should just be about 1 week.
Yeah.
I think it should be about how you bring it into your everyday life.
That's right. Now, is there a favourite saying or word you love? Māori word?
Aroha.
Yes.
It's about love and it's about caring for others.
And because aroha to me in Māori means aro, to be aware. So it comes from the word whakaaro, to be aware. And ha means to be aware of your breath. So, it's quite deep in that sense of, being aware of someone else's feelings, thoughts, etc.
And I think most people, they know what that means. It's like in there. It's like a feeling that you have for those around you and also for yourself.
Agree, Minister. Yeah.
And I think I've got some questions for you.
Oh my God, I didn't think it was going that way.
Yeah,
okay. Right.
When did you start speaking Te Reo?
My grandparents around me always spoke Māori, but my parents never. And so my grandparents kind of always wanted me to learn English and to get on with, learning and things like that for their own experiences. So as I grew older, I think my younger siblings are probably better at Māori than I am, because I was busy trying to work and do other things like that. But I love it. And all of our children now, my family's kids, our nephews and nieces all went to kohanga and going to learn Māori now, so that's important.
Yeah, my grandmother used to speak to me in English, but when she was younger, I think she spoke fluently. But then as she went to school, and, she just learnt that English and didn't really speak much because I think her mother passed away quite young.
Right.
So she was raised by an auntie. And English was the main language.
Right.
But I think there's also that if you're Māori, it's a lot more nerve-wracking if you don't speak Te Reo because if you pronounce it wrong or if you do something wrong, there's the expectation because you're Māori, you should know how to do that. And so I think that fear builds up a bit more. Yeah.
It's kind of reverse from when we were younger, feeling embarrassed about not being able to speak English properly. And now we see some of our other nephews and nieces that don't speak Māori, they feel kind of out of place.
Yes.
So we have to keep encouraging them, it's okay.
Yeah, don't laugh.
Don't laugh, although sometimes it's funny. But
what advice do you have for beginners or for people who get nervous to speak Te Reo out loud?
my advice to them is talk to somebody that you like and trust. Talk in a space where you're comfortable and where somebody will be able to have fun with you in learning. I think that's the biggest one around that one. Have fun. And there's one thing to be laughed at and there's one thing to laugh with, you know? So that's probably the thoughts that I have around that. How's the fried bread?
I'm actually really impressed.
Oh, you're very impressed. I'm impressed with myself too, but, you know. So, he prawa prai.
He prawa plai.
Yes, prai. So that's it. And then, of course, you got butter and jam on those ones here. So everything goes down well with that. So it becomes hereka.
Hereka?
Yes. Yeah, that means it's nice. It's sweet.
Hereka.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, sweet.
Yeah, sweet or nice. It's the same thing. Or hetino pie. So awesome.
Finish this sentence. If ma is white and whiro is red, what is kakariki?
Kakariki is green. That's the